Over the past few years, I've been wanting to add additional downforce to the car. What better solution than one from a race car? I saw a 9972 Cup wing come up for sale, and after going back and forth with the buyer and myself, I decided to commit. The new wing setup comes with taller uprights, a larger wing, and larger end plates. The original RS wing measured about 57 inches across. The new Cup wing comes in at 67 inches. I'm planning on sending the uprights out to get anodized, but I wanted to test fit everything first. Alright, let's walk through the process together. The wing is attached to the uprights using a pair of nut and bolts. The uprights are secured to the trunk lid with 3 bolts. The end plates are secured to the wing with a set of flat screws. Since I'm just test fitting everything, I won't be torquing or Loctiting the bolts. The torque value for these bolts is 7.5 foot-pounds. Some of the bolts should also have medium strength thread locker applied. The top left position is position 1, and the bottom right position is position 12. The angle of the wing can be adjusted using any of these 12 positions. Porsche lists position 7 as their baseline wing setting. Obviously these are their settings for a race car, but it's better than just winging it